Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. On this day in 1950, the Constitution of India came into force, which means government must have to give us a right to choose government, freedom, duties and responsibility towards India in good manners. Now India is a democratic free country when all people can do anything with their life. We proud to be India today. This year India celebrates 71 Republic Day. We need to take a pledge today for solving such problem in the society to make our country the best country in the world. Jai Hind. Thank you. Have a